give you chocolate, but don't eat muna.
Okay.
Okay? You wait, mommy, ha? Here. Here, I give you chocolate. One chocolate. No! Don't eat first. You wait, mommy. Okay? Pagbalik ni mommy, I will put another there. If you don't eat that. Dito bantayan mo yung chocolate. Don't eat. You wait, mommy, until mommy go here na ulit. Don't eat. Don't patay this, ha? Yan. Already. Again, don't eat yung chocolate. I give you another if you don't eat that. You need to wait mommy first, okay? I go to CR lang, ha? Huwag mo kakainin to, ha? Sige. Titingnan ko pag kinain mo yan. Up. Go there lang. Tingnan mo lang tong chocolate. Baka mawala. Don't eat, ha? You wait mommy, okay? Doon ka harap. Check mo yung camera ni mami. Check the camera. Kailangan, bantayan mo. Don't eat. You wait, mommy. Huwag i-eat. Doon ka tumingin. Yan. Si ay lang, mami, ha?
Ma, Daddy again. This one. Mama. Mama. No. Ah. Babysitting. Sorry, babysitting.
Bibi? Wait. Where ka na? Do you eat your chocolate? Do you eat your chocolate?
Yes.
Where?
Ew.
Wow! You don't eat! Okay, you can eat now. I give you more after. Yay!
Yay!
Success! High five! Get it na. This is yours. Yay!